today we have a meeting as a lawmakers, parliament member in the Japanese parliament. We are asking them, we are pushing them, should Japanese parliament recognize Uyghur genocide, and also Japanese government should be take more action, concrete action, because only made statement or motion and the empty promise not enough to stop ongoing genocide.
Perhaps explain that to us. And for example, Nakatani-san was recently appointed as a...
Japan is the largest, third largest economic power in the world, and also model of the democracy, freedom expression, rule of law in the world, and particularly Asia. That's why, and the Japanese government, Japanese parliament has some obligation to more actively engage in this Uyghur genocide. This way, only only the way to stop ongoing genocide. Thank you very much.
If China improves...
I expect the Japanese government to support the resolution likely to be presented next week at the Human Rights Council to allow the Human Rights Council to receive and discuss the Bachelet Xinjiang report. I wish that Japan is not only going to support, but be a core member to co-sponsor this resolution.